Hello, my name's Alan, and I'm one of those guys that didn't see the dentist all the times that I was supposed to. It's because of bad experiences I've had with the dentist. And when I found out that I had no adult teeth behind my baby teeth, they fell out and I was missing 2 teeth. And I dealt with this for about 14 years of hiding my smile. I got pretty good at it too. But then I realized that I need to address the situation. Some friends of mine referred me to Atlanta Dental Spa, and I met Dr. Currie. The first time I met him, very professional, made me feel at ease, which was very huge, answered all my questions. And we discussed everything in complete detail. We decided that we needed to proceed about getting me some teeth, but before we did that, like I said, I haven't seen the dentist in years. He recommended IV sedation dental cleaning, which I've never heard about before, but he said, you'll just kick back, relax, and we'll take it from here. At first, I was a little leery and everything, but once you have it done, you realize, my God, why was that not offered to me before? I mean, it's totally relaxing. When the procedure was done, my teeth were clean, I felt good, and I wanted to take the next step. And that's where I met Dr. Creasman. He's the one that gave me this beautiful smile. And like Dr. Currie, man, very professional, made me feel at ease, answered all of my questions, and wanted to reassure me that this is the best way to do this. And I believed him, and I'm gonna make a long story short, look at that smile. I'm telling you, you don't realize, unless you're missing teeth, what it's like to hide your smile. I look at pictures and there's no teeth, there's that smile. And now, man, it's a beautiful thing. And I wanna thank Dr. Currie, Dr. Creasman. I'm a little emotional. This is life-changing. I tell them all the time, you're changing lives one smile at a time. Thank you.